How to use AWeber Autoresponder. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up your email marketing with AWeber's Autoresponder. So let's get into it. Now, using an autoresponder can help you in building your customer relations and manage your leads in an effective manner. It can make sure that your customers feel engaged and your emails feel like they're coming in a proper pattern for your customers. So let's get started on Aweber. To get started, you can create your Aweber account for free if you don't have one already. And if you have one already, just click on sign in and you can put in your email address and then your password to log in to your account. So it's a very simple procedure if you want to build your account as well. You just have to use your pre-existing email and you can create a simple account on Aweber. Now, once you have created your account, you will see a few different options on the left panel. Now, in your left panel, you want to go into automation from where you can actually build your autoresponder to emails. So these autoresponders are going to help you in making sure that your customer journeys are set up properly. Now, a lot of people get this confused with, building something like just a welcome email or a newsletter email because those are just emails that are sent once. With autoresponders or with the automations of emails, you can easily make sure that your emails are being sent timely and effectively so that their delivery provides you with the best value possible. So let's go ahead and add a couple of subscribers. So I will click on add subscriber over here to just add a sample subscriber so you guys can see how we can build their customer journey or auto response. So I'm just going to add a singular customer, Anna, like this, and then I'll just click on add subscriber over here. There's no other information I need for my lead. Now, once I have added my customer, you guys can see all of your subscribers. Then on the top, you have automations. So we're going to click on campaigns and automations, and you have list automations as well as campaign automations. Now, list automations are a upgrade that are exclusive to the paid plans on Aweber. So with list automations, you can choose certain automation rules that work for only a certain segmentation or a certain dynamic of users. However, to build a simple autoresponder, all you need to do is head on over to automation and then campaigns. Then click on create campaign over here, and then you can choose the type of campaign you want to create. Now, these pre-existing templates can help you in getting started. However, if you don't want to choose a template, we can get started from scratch and build our own customer journey for our autoresponder. Now, first off, you have to select the trigger for when a customer is going to be responded to. So when a tag is applied or when they subscribe. So on subscription, I want to trigger the campaign for new subscribers. And the first thing I want to do whenever I get a new subscriber is I want to send a message, which is going to be a plain message. So I'm just going to choose message over here. So in our first email, I am going to go on ahead and put in a simple text message for now, and we can customize this message however we want. We can build this with a super nice fancy template as well, or you can build a simple letter blocked email as well. That's totally up to you. So on the top, you have your subject line, which is going to be welcome to Durden, like this, and then you can click on personalize and personalize the particular email however you want, but I'm just going to save and exit for now because I'm just building our autoresponder first, and then I can build the content of emails later on. Now, whenever they are welcomed to their den, I will build the second automation. So once this has been done, what I'm going to do is I might want to add an automation where a certain tag is applied. I might want to wait. So let's say after, I can set up a custom time window, or I can set, the number of days, or, whatever kind of wait interval you want to put in. Let's say after 3 days, I want to send them another message, which is going to be another email, and I can click on choose message to from our pre-existing emails as well. I'll just click on let's chat. This is important, or I can enter another email as well. So let's say I want to build my own, so I can click on this one over here. And then let's just insert this message, and then I want to maybe check feed, and I want want to see the frequency like this. So, and the required posts, and then I can click on save forever. Now, after that, you can also apply another wait. And then after that, let's say I want to wait another day, and then I want to send another message. Now, this just really depends on how you want to build your autoresponder. Let's say after 3 days, I send them one email, and then I want to build a tag, which might be newly subscribed customers, and then I can add them to this tag. Then I can send them another email. Let's create a message, and I'll go into their drag and drop email builder. And this email builder is very simple to use. You can insert your subject lines over here. This might be hey, or let's say we have on or buy for stock runs out like this. And then I'm going to click on save and exit. And once we have built our email, so I want to send another message, then I might want to remove them from a certain tag. So I can click on apply tag, and then I want to remove them from the new subscriber list. Now, the reason for removal might be because, your customers are going to find it redundant to receive similar auto-responded messages. So you can set these up and you can easily build your responses. You have some pre-existing automations as well, and the email builder is very simple to understand. Now, let's take a quick look at the email builder. You can click on create a message, and you have a few different types of email builders. You have a drag and drop editor, a smart editor, plain text editor, and raw HTML. The drag and drop editor is the most popular, and I think it's a very simple to use tool. Now let's say we want to say we are styling our top picks for the summer like this. And then let's say I don't have a lot of text, I can just remove that. And then I am just going to write with AI and then talk about fashion and our new floral printed line like this. And then we are just going to wait for the AI to build some of the email content, and we can insert our own videos from the left, our own social media icons, buttons, product, logos, dividers, images as well. So if you want to insert any item, just go on ahead and click on the item, and on the right you have the editing tools. I'll just click on add message, and then let's say I want to add an image, so I can just drag and drop this over here. And then from the right you have the options to upload your image. So let's say I want to upload an image, I'll just upload this one over here, and then we can resize it as well accordingly like this, like so. And whatever other items you want, you can insert that, and then just click on save and exit to build your emails on AWeber for your email autoresponder. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.